Imagine this if you're a network marketer struggling to grow your business. Every day, people already interested in what you offer reach out to you with requests about your product and business. Hungry prospects flood into your social media DMs wanting to know more. No longer do you chase, beg, or convince uninterested folks about the greatness of your product or business. That's why I believe my attraction marketing formula review is vital. It teaches you how to become what I call a professional network marketer. Remember this, the best product or business in the world doesn't help anyone when you don't know how to attract qualified daily leads. Bottom line, the attraction marketing formula helps you enroll 3 to 7 new customers and team members per week without prospecting a single person. And you'll never have to spam strangers' scripted messages or bug your friends and family ever again. Sound a little too good to be true? I get it. And that's why in this attraction marketing formula review, I'll reveal my top 5 reasons for why I bought it and why I believe you'll benefit from doing the same. First, let's define attraction marketing before I dive into the attraction marketing formula itself. Attraction marketing is a marketing method that allows you to identify, attract, and create emotional connections with people already looking to buy what you sell. Attraction marketing strategies represent the polar opposite of bugging, begging, chasing, or convincing people to listen to you. Attraction marketing allows you, the network marketer, as you automate the process for prospecting your ideal customer. It sets you night and day above those folks using old school techniques like warm contact lists, the 3-foot rule, or bugging waitresses at the restaurant, right? Like I used to do. The attraction marketing formula teaches you online marketing methods that turn you away from being a salesperson and toward being a professional marketer, a marketer people feel attracted to as opposed to being repelled by. And by the way, I actually own the attraction marketing formula. This is not a fake review where I talk negatively of what you just searched for, the attraction marketing formula, and then I bait and switch you into buying something else. I bought this product personally and used it to build a 9 levels deep international MLM business. So here are my top 5 reasons for buying the attraction marketing formula. Reason number 1, I was tired of prospecting by bugging my friends and family. My upline told me to invite everyone in my phone. The process felt inauthentic and deceptive to me. Just because someone knows me doesn't mean they have the problem that my product solves, right? So if you're struggling with this process, it's likely because you haven't recognized that it makes you an unwilling salesperson, which leads me to reason number 2 to invest in the attraction marketing formula. The "it's not selling, it's sharing" message from my upline and probably yours is not a winning formula. Most network marketing leaders fail to tell their downlines that they're teaching them how to become salespeople. They use the terms building rapport, prospecting, objection handling, and follow-up, and try to make you feel like you're learning something fun and amazing. But it's sales, end of story, right? Go pick up a book on becoming a top salesperson, and you'll see those same terms that I just gave you. And the worst part, they not only don't tell you that you're learning sales, they don't even teach you how to do it correctly so that you can have success with it. They say things like, oh, it's not selling, it's sharing. Build your prospecting list bigger and keep talking to more people. That's like me teaching you how to get traffic to your blog. And when you struggle, I say, hey, just attract more people to your blog and you'll get more traffic to your blog. When you say to your upline, hey, look, I'm having trouble getting people to the meeting or to watch our online presentation. And they say to you, hey, just invite more people and you'll get more people there. I mean, that is not helpful, because if you knew how to get more people to watch the presentation, you'd have more people watching the presentation, right? Reason number 3 to invest in the attraction marketing formula is it solves the problem I just took you through about sales. Inside the attraction marketing formula, you'll learn how to solve the soul-sucking prospecting process. I know you got into network marketing to obtain eventually time freedom, but prospecting one-to-one takes so much time. It's like getting a second job instead of starting a freedom-providing business. Inside Chapter 2 of the attraction marketing formula, you get right into learning how to use the internet to automate your lead generation and effortlessly recruit more people. How does this benefit you? Well, that's reason number 4 to buy the attraction marketing formula. Your first benefit is it saves you time. The second benefit is it removes frustration, guilt, and stress. Frustration that time is taken away from your family, that a lack of results means lower quality of life for your family. Guilt that you're investing way too much time away from your family, trying the time-sucking prospecting methods. Stress that comes from missing important family time and not providing a better quality of life. You'll learn how to set up systems so common prospect questions are answered via automation. You gain a more relaxed, winning feeling because you see the business growing as you spend time only with the people who are right for your business and your product. You spend a whole lot less time on the business, but the results are tenfold. Income flows, so you get to enjoy the quality of life the money provides for your spouse and your children. Secondary benefits include a more relaxed family, better relationships with your spouse, your children, or other loved ones. Less stress means a more healthy you and family. This means less doctor visits, less missed time at school, more time with children to teach them life lessons. You feel in control, powerful, inspired, successful, proud. You gain extra time to invest in the lives of others as well. And the fifth reason to buy the attraction marketing formula is it teaches you how to brand yourself. The broke network marketer thinks that their business revolves around their product and their opportunity. They focus on how great their product is. The wealthy network marketer understands this, that the real business asset that you possess is not your product or the company. Your real and most treasured asset inside your business is you. It's all about your brand, your face, your enthusiasm, your confidence, your vitality, and your overall solution for folks. Through attraction marketing, you'll learn how to serve your target market first, solve problems for people first, build relationships first, and provide ongoing value. This all adds up to a situation where you're seen as a highly valued person people want to buy from and join in business. Now, let me talk a little bit about how building your brand solves the inherent flaws in the MLM business system. I'm going to teach you something here that most people in the industry try to gloss over and hide from you. While network marketing is an amazing business system, there are flaws in it. One of the biggest flaws is something Perry Marshall brought to my attention a few years ago. He said that network marketers are told how important duplication is, right? We hear that all the time. But in reality, says Perry, duplication is a very bad thing in marketing. Remember, it's called network marketing. He made a great point when he said that anyone doing very well in MLM is doing well because they are not doing what everyone else in the company is. They're successful because they found a way to be unique. He didn't call it attraction marketing, but what he was describing was exactly that. The fact that these successful MLMers have a unique energy and voice and story to tell. Chapter 3 of the attraction marketing formula teaches you exactly how to present this unique voice and story. In fact, it's chapters 3 and 4 of the attraction marketing formula that give you foundational information to basically ready your mind for what follows in chapter 5. Chapter 5 is where you learn exactly how to implement your attraction marketing system. And the art of attraction marketing helps you find people already interested in what you offer on a daily basis, provide them a piece of upfront value to get the conversation going, build a relationship with your prospects, offer solutions to the problems they have, your MLM products, your opportunity, or even other affiliate link offers you can earn money with, collect money from your sales and insert your prospect back into your pipeline for future sales, increasing your income exponentially over time. And also, the marketing blueprint laid out inside the attraction marketing formula is the same one used inside any 6 or 7-figure business you might kind of marvel at right now. So if you want to grow a successful MLM business, all you need to do is implement this same system in order to get the same successful results. A system that teaches you how to solve 3 huge issues. Number 1, a potential future company shutdown. Now, I bring this up because although it's not a common occurrence overall, it happened to me personally twice, okay? But because I was using attraction marketing messages and I created trust with my prospects, I was able to shift gears and continue on. If it happens to you, which group do you want to be in? The group that did the traditional convince and beg marketing method and now has nothing to show for all that effort, or the group that did learn the concept of attraction marketing and now has a large group of interested people that know you, like you, and trust you enough to build with you somewhere else. Number 2, the need for immediate cash flow through quick sales. As the attraction marketing formulas chapter 5 teaches you how to earn money before anyone joins your network marketing business, you'll benefit from gaining the ability to bring quick cash flow into your bank account. And number 3, how to find money to invest in proper paid advertising for your primary MLM business. This is huge. The basic principle of attraction marketing is a system that, in essence, results in prospects paying you to become a lead for your primary network marketing business. Once you buy the attraction marketing formula and go through chapter 5, you'll gain an unfair advantage. You're going to know exactly how to accomplish something most people in network marketing companies never learn, something that keeps them broke and unsuccessful. You're going to learn how to attract people already suffering from the problems your primary business and product solves. Offer them small price products related to your primary business and easy to sell because of the small investment. Use these immediate profits to scale your advertising, build a huge pipeline of these already interested buyers, build a relationship and trust with these interested buyers, convert a high percentage of these buyers into your primary business after trust is established. There's so much more inside the attraction marketing formula, like how to use email marketing and automation, but I think you should understand that for a $27 initial investment, the value is there. If you're tired of chasing after uninterested people and want to learn how to attract 3 to 7 new customers and team members each week, then I highly encourage you to pick up the attraction marketing formula like I did. Not only did I get permission to give you a 72% discount on the $97 retail price, but Fernie, the creator of the attraction marketing formula, is offering you a free assessment call with one of his attraction marketing specialists. I had this initial free assessment call after I bought the attraction marketing formula, and I was amazed that I wasn't pressured to buy anything. Instead, this is how your free assessment call will go. Number 1, there's nothing for sale. It's an assessment of where you are today. Number 2, uncover what's driving you to grow your business, your why. Number 3, discuss any problems, pains, or fears you're facing in your business right now. Number 4, your specialist and you will discover what level of desire exists in you to grow and accelerate your business. And number 5, your specialist will recommend the next best step for you. And your call will be with a network marketing veteran who has proven they know how to build a successful MLM business. Let me end with this. Have you ever thought, hey, look, I attend company trainings, but then I get confused about next steps. I get frustrated because if people do reach out to me, I don't know how to enroll them properly. I then get overwhelmed and distracted by my kids doing silly things like jumping through the refrigerator or putting their heads in the microwave, right? Can you relate a little bit to that family situation? Well, if you've tried what your company or upline said to do and you still feel frustrated and love the idea of talking to someone who has gotten solid network marketing business results, then I just highly encourage you to click the link in the description of this video on YouTube or on my blog page if you're watching it there and get some further information. Put your name and email into the form on the page I direct you to next, and I'll send you a 5-day video recruiting bootcamp that explains attraction marketing in even more detail, as well as more details about the attraction marketing formula itself. So, go ahead, take the next step to get the education you need to start attracting 3 to 7 new customers and team members each week. You can do this if you get the proper training and implement it like I've done and so many others have done with the attraction marketing formulas education. Click the link, take the next step with us.